So who's this Diamond Award for? Well, actually, we're giving out a whole bunch of Diamond Awards. Why? Because many students have finished our curriculum in HTML, JavaScript, Python, and Unity. And some of them even finished Scratch as well, although it is not required for the Diamond Award. So what are we waiting for? Let's reveal the big winners. Malawi, Ania, Ishbir, Sahil, Annika, Isaac, Aaron, Yash, Kevin, Caden. And yes, there are many other students who have already earned the Diamond Award or who are earning it right now. So congratulations to everybody, but remember, an award is just an award. What really matters is your Hackingtons profile, because that is what you show employers, that is what you show your friends, and that is what you use to show the world who you are as a developer.